Hey Tim, this is Eddie with Multi-Man Services. I was able to take a quick look at your roof here to do a brief inspection to see if it's even worth doing a roof cleaning, because oftentimes by the time someone actually gives me a call to clean their shingles, the shingles are really old and there's signs of wear and tear, drying out, age. So let me flip the camera around, explain a little bit about how we do roof cleaning, and then what we do to help further extend the life of your roof. So before I get into my roof inspection, I'll explain 3 things that we inspect on your shingles. Please look at this brief 1-minute informational video that ultimately explains what you can do to help further extend your roof. And check this out, we'll get into the inspection.
There is never a good day on your roof. Temperatures can climb to over 140 degrees, causing the roof to expand. Passing rain showers quickly cool the roof, creating rapid contraction, known as thermal shock. Your asphalt roof must remain flexible to withstand these extreme stresses. Oil within the asphalt allows for this flexibility. Depending on region, a roof begins breaking down between 7 and 10 years of age because the oil begins drying out of the asphalt, causing the roof to become increasingly brittle over time. With loss of flexibility, it starts to crack and begins slowly breaking apart, the same way cracks eventually turn into a pothole in an asphalt road. RoofMax is a 100% safe, all-natural food-grade oil. The spray-applied treatment quickly penetrates roof shingles, restoring flexibility and waterproofing protection. Each treatment is guaranteed to last 5 years and comes with a transferable warranty. And because RoofMax treatments are repeatable, a roof can be greatly extended past its expected life. Treatment is quick, clean, and very affordable. Get more life for less money, guaranteed with RoofMax, a powerful fusion of science and nature.
Okay, so what I like to do when I'm doing a roof inspection is look at the algae, the moss, the lichen, and then we take a look at the lichen. The aggregate or the granular loss of the shingles from the ground. You can see a lot of your shingles have lost a lot of the aggregate, and it's actually not too bad. It's not as bad as it looks. These are architectural shingles, so this is the second layer of the shingle. So even though that this is pretty rough, it's very common, the other one under it is just fine. Looking at this side of the roof, I see that there's this odd shingle repair thing going on here. So not sure what's going on here, but I think if you don't have a leak, we'll just leave it alone, but I would like to put some more roofing sealant in these areas where the caulk is starting to dry up. Just leave that alone, because really when it comes down to it, your shingles are starting to dry out. If I was to start lifting these shingles up, they should be glued down really nicely like this. Some of them though will start to lift up, and that glue strip, that seal tab under there, releases, and these shingles, even though they claim it's lifetime or 50-year shingle, the oil in the shingle from the UV rays starts to dry out, and you're going to have those seal tabs release, and you got this pitting in the shingle that's just missing the granulars and the aggregate. So the aggregate of the shingle is basically the UV. It's the sunblock for the shingle. You can kind of see this shingle, all the pits and all the missing aggregate. So I definitely think your roof is savable. You can kind of see what your roof would look like after it cleans. This galvanized flashing you have here, the rain naturally cleans it. So here's an idea of what your shingles will look like after it gets cleaned. But after a cleaning, I'm definitely going to suggest a roof conditioning treatment from RoofMax, because cleaning a roof is kind of hard on the shingles. It dries it out slightly. So we're going to want to try our best to get the oils back into the shingle, and that all-natural bio oil from RoofMax is perfect for that. I see you got some tuck pointing going on here, so perfect. I'm glad to see you're doing maintenance there. While we're here, we're probably going to want to flush out this gutter, all of the rock and sediment from the brick guys. But A little bit about how we do roof cleaning. Before I would apply any treatment on the shingles, I would come up here with my push broom and just gently broom some of this loose stuff off. You can kind of see by me moving it with my hands, it just comes off real easily. It actually has roots in it. You can see the moss and the lichen has taken years for it to grow roots down into your shingles. So I'll get all the loose stuff off with my broom, and then after that we'll apply my chlorine-based cleaner, and you're going to get immediate results with that. All of the lichen and moss that wasn't able to come off with the broom will turn white or yellow like cottage cheese, and then that'll means it's dead. All the black streaks on your roof will be gone and your color will be originally restored. But it's taken years for your roof to get to this point. So what I like to explain is that if you give your roof a couple of months of good solid drying out and hard rains, then your roof will look brand spanking new. So after we do the roof cleaning and restore the look of your roof, I'm going to suggest that we do the cleaning and conditioning treatment on both your house and your roof. I'd like to do a full roof tune-up, and we're going to button up any shingle areas like that. All the flashing details around your chimneys are going to be double checked. I'm going to clean your pipe. I'm going to clean this pipe right here when I'm doing the roof clean, and then over time these collars, they dry out. So we're going to put another rubber boot around this whole entire thing and make sure that that's not going to be an entry point for water. All the leak prone areas of your roof are going to get a good tune-up before we apply the conditioning treatment. Right here we're going to put another rubber boot around that. Anytime you try to add life into a shingle by rehydrating it, you're going to want to do a general tune-up, and that's all included in the price for everything. Well, that's kind of all I have to say about that. You do have considerable amount of granule loss on the architectural shingles where these wavy parts here, but it's actually a savable shingle. This is a great roof to treat and condition. We're in good shape. This is all we do is roof maintenance, home exterior washing, soft washing, gutter cleaning. So any questions you have, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'll try my best to answer your questions. And look forward to really working with you. Eddie Carell, my cell, you can call or text anytime, 815-520-6020. Thank you.